Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. If you're new, be sure to hit that subscribe button. So I went and I bought stuff again. This time I didn't go to Ulta, I went to Sephora, and let me just tell you that I had to go to multiple Sephoras to find these products, and I got lucky to even find the 4 that I got because they're sold out everywhere. I'm not an order online type of gal. I don't like waiting for stuff. I need to buy it right then and there, and I'm okay with going to multiple locations for it. So Makeup by Mario recently released some new lip balm hydrating lipstick chapstick situation, and I'm really excited to try it. I haven't tried any yet. As you can see, I don't have any lipstick on. I wanted to do a first impression video with all of you. I'm thrilled because the 4 colors that I was eyeing, I was able to get. I got the last one of each. So this is supposed to be a moisturizing lip plumping like serum is what it says, that has a tinted color in it, so you can wear it essentially like a lip gloss. I'm assuming it's a mix between like a lip gloss and a chapstick. I don't know, we're gonna see. There are 7 shades. They retail for $22 each, which is pretty average. So I got 4 colors. They're more so peachy nude. I think I would say in the pinks. The other colors that they didn't have, it was sold out, were more plum, darker colors, which are so pretty. I gotta get my hands on them. I got Bronze Glow, Rose Glow, Bear Glow, and Apricot Glow. They all looked really beautiful. I'm curious to see how they look on me. So let's just get right into it. Let's just put them on. All right. And the packaging is really cute, super cute to throw it in your purse. It literally feels and looks like a chapstick. So I'm really excited about that. You just slide it up like that. Oh, it makes an interesting little noise. I'm not putting any lip liner on or anything. I kind of just want to see how the product looks by itself. You got to really get in there to get some product out. Okay, there we go. By the way, once you take a bunch out, you can't bring it back down. So that's really annoying. I want to put the cap back on it, but I'm afraid it's going to now like smudge it because I accidentally pushed too much out. So FYI, don't take it all out. Don't, unless you're going to use all of it, because it won't go back down. That's kind of annoying. It's just, yeah. All right, Apricot Glow. Let's see what this is talking about. Oh my God, that's a lot of product on there. I gotta like go in lightly. I'm literally dabbing it on because I think I took too much product out and it like fully like went on my lips. It's really pretty though, but don't take out more than you need because it's really hard to apply on. I like feel like if I push it I'm literally using the lightest hand, and I feel like if you push it any harder, it's just gonna completely smudge and like break. But wow, so this is pretty. It's really like a lip gloss. I'm really impressed with the formula. It literally feels like a gloss. It's hydrating. It's a serum, so it's essentially supposed to feel more like moist on your lips. The color is really pretty. I have no lip liner on, and it actually pairs really well with my lips and this look that I have. This is Apricot Glow, and it's definitely glowing on the lips. I'm kind of into it. So far, so good. I just wish that I didn't take out more than I need because applying it really stressed me out. And now I'm putting the cap back on, and I'm really hoping that it's okay in there. Okay, so I wiped it off. I do want to say that it feels like a little like refreshing on the lips, like cooling in a weird way. I don't know how to explain it. Like almost minty, if that makes sense. Like it's like cooling, but it's not bad. Like I don't mind it. It feels like it kind of like for a second was just like a little, there was like a sensation there, but not bad, like not painful. All right, the second color I'm picking up is Rose Glow. I'm definitely not pushing out more than I need. I'm like traumatized from the first time, so I see why it takes so long to come out now. You clearly don't need to push out more than you need, so don't do what I did. This is Rose Glow. Is it? Yeah, Rose Glow. So you see how this I can actually apply like a chapstick or lipstick because I didn't take out more. The other one I was like dabbing on. This is so nice. Oh my God, I'm really loving these. It's so pretty. It's like the perfect amount of color. It's not too pigmented. It's like tinted, but it gives you that shine and the color that you want. Oh my God, I'm really, really impressed with these. Like absolutely 100%. This is like a pink. It's very pretty. Feels great. It looks great. Okay, the next color I have here is Bronze Glow. It's a little bit more brown. I'm hoping it's more brown. Those two are definitely peachy and pink. This one is bronze, so we're gonna see what bronze is talking about. I'm just gonna put it directly on my lips. All right, All right, this is definitely more brown. I would say it's more the color of my lips, which is really pretty. It's kind of like a clear gloss. So if you have darker pigmented lips that are more brown undertone, this is gonna feel like a clear gloss with a very pretty tint of like a reddish brown in it. I love it. I mean, so far so good. They feel great, they look great, and I'm really impressed with these. Okay, I have the last color here, and this is Bear Glow, and I can't tell, it's a mix between brown and pink and orange, kind of like all of them combined. I feel like looks like this one. My lips are tingling. There's like a tingling feeling. I don't know what it is, but I like it. I guess it's a serum in it. It's like hydrating for the lips. All right, Bear Glow, let's do it. Okay, she's cute, she's soft. She's like sweet and simple. You already know what I'm gonna say, I'm obsessed. Like, I have nothing bad to say, honestly. Even the fact that I took too much product out on the first one, I can't complain because that was my fault. So this is stunning. This is soft and like, I'm ready for Valentine's Day. I'm honestly mind blown by all of these products. I think Mario did an amazing job with the formula, the way that it feels, the appearance, but also the tint of color in each product. I wish that I was able to get the additional 4 or the 3 that I wasn't able to grab. These are hot in the market, and I feel like it's been a while since we've came across a product that's very easy to use like this. That's not a lip gloss, like a matte lipstick or an actual lipstick. I don't even know what to call this, but I'm here for it. This is definitely going to be my new go-to. I can't even tell which one's my favorite shade because they all look so good. So yeah, if you're in the market, go out there, get whatever you can find, order them online. 22 bucks. So many pretty shades. Definitely recommend for people out there who don't like a lot of lipstick or that thick, like highly pigmented vibe. This is definitely going to be your best friend. I know it's going to be my go-to for some time. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Comment down below other colors that you've tried that you love, or other recommendations within this type of formula that you've tried that I maybe don't know about. I'd love to try more like this. This is kind of what I'm into lately. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, I will see you later.